Hello friends, welcome to Tech with Radhika. I hope you are upgrading yourself with my videos. So first see these videos. So you have seen some videos. If you want to make these type of branding videos, you can use one of the app that is Canva. Yes, it is a useful app for creating posters and videos for our brands. Okay, I am opening Canva now. You can download its app also. Here you can log in it with your Gmail account. Here you can create many more things like presentation, social media poster, video. You can create many more things. So first we need to create a page that we want. So different types of sizes where we can create anything. So if I want to create a social media poster for Instagram reel, so I am selecting this page as Instagram reel. Here this is the blank page and these are the basic options of Canva. Suppose if I want to make a brand poster or brand reel for ice cream, so I am searching ice cream here. Now look, these are the basic templates of Canva. You can use any of the template or you can create by yourself also with the help of these tools. Okay, for example, if I am selecting this poster, so it will come here. Now you can easily edit it. You can edit the design, you can edit the text, you can edit the picture, you can edit anything in it. With the help of elements, you can add elements also for like shapes, frames, audio, video, photos. You can add anything. You can add text also. There are different types of text effects that you can add in your poster. You can upload anything. If you want to download something from Google or if you want to upload something here, you can upload also. So after making the poster, you can easily animate it. It means that you can apply the animations. As in this poster, animations are already applied here. We can apply the animations easily. For example, if I want to apply the animation in this picture, so simply click in it and click on animate option. There are different types of animations will come here. You can apply any of the animation as per your choice. Okay, after creating the poster, you can simply click on preview button to show the preview of this poster, or you can click on share button to download this poster. Look, I have downloaded this poster. You can easily make anything with the help of Canva. Thank you for watching.